Okay. Hi, I'm Alessandro and I'm doing the discussion session of today. So, as always, I brought two topics. For the first topic, the course is called Knowledge-Based Design. So, when we think about the design, we talk about designing a particular product. And if we want to evaluate how this product is, we do like a quality evaluation. So, my question is, how can we evaluate the quality of a product? Because, for example, we can use the price, but we know that the price depends on the market. So if many people buy a product, doesn't mean it's a good product. It means just the price increases, but it can be a bad product. And we can also use the tools of the product. But for example, if you think about a phone, if we have a phone with a lot of tools, a lot of applications, maybe the performances could decreases. And also, are we really able to understand if a product is high quality? Because, for example, we can be influenced by many things. I don't know if you think about the Apple phone. Like many people buy Apple because it's in trendy, you know. Or also, for example, there was a really good violinist who played in a theater in London, and he received a lot of good critiques. And the day after, he played the same music with the same violin in a metro station, like dressed as a homeless, and almost nobody recognized he was a really good violinist. So this can be influence our evaluation. So, what do you think?
Quality is a relative term. You have to compare it with something. If you develop something really new, then you don't know how to qualitatively or quantitatively analyze that particular product. So there is always some comparison, even in case of Apple or something. But there are some standards on which the product should fulfill those standards.
Okay.
So at least we can use those standards as quality assurance, and then after that other methods.
Okay, so you say like a product has to fulfill some standards, and then to see if it's high quality, you compare to other products with the same standards.
Yeah.
More or less. Okay.
I think the quality is defined as how well the product does the function, like how well it performs. So without any bugs or without any effects. So if it does what it's supposed to do without any errors, then I think it's quality. And like you said, it could be relative in terms which one performs better, which one's more robust to its environment, etc.
Okay, so you just say like, if it performs well, like it can do what it's supposed to do, and then you can just compare to another one to see which one can perform better, and you understand which one is better quality. Okay. Other opinions? Okay, so let's move to the second topic. So, always talking about the product, we know like when we design a product, basically the aim is to sell this product. So to put in a market and to try to maximize the profit. So for a company, if a company wants to compete at high levels, it has to decrease the price, of course, but this can entail a decrease of the quality, because if you spend less money to produce the product, you have to decrease the quality, because, for example, I don't know, the good materials cost more money, and if I want to hire really an expert in the field, I have to pay him or her more. So my question is like, are we going towards a market with low quality product? And for us, Do you think it's more important to have like a really quality product or a product with a low price? What do you like usually prefer when you choose to buy some product?
Actually, I do not completely agree on the fact that low quality, that low price is always low quality. I think quality is, especially for like a smartphone, you have so many features in it, and quality can be like, okay, I want good photos, that's one quality, but then the, I don't know, the software can be slower, or I don't know, and it's all relative, and you can have, I know I have a Chinese phone, which is low price, and the photo quality is not very good, but I don't care because it's not what I'm looking for when I buy a smartphone. So, I don't know, it's, low quality is not, um, I don't think, yeah, quality is necessarily directly linked to the price. It depends on what you're looking for.
So you think basically the quality depends on what the consumer wants.
Yeah. Yeah. And you put the price on what you buy in function of what you want. And if you want all the good features, everything very nice, so yes, you can pay 1,000 euros to have a very good smartphone. But if you don't care about photos or anything, like if it's the customer choice. So I don't, and I think some people would like to have the best. So I don't think we're going to a low price for a project or low quality project, because still a lot of people want to have the best. It's like human nature, it's better than anyone else. Have the best among everyone else. So I don't think we're going to low quality project.
Okay.
We need also low quality product. But sometimes if all the companies try to achieve high quality, and then it entails high cost, and then maybe most of people cannot buy product.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you mean you need like different
Yeah.
levels
Yeah,
for.
we need all the qualities, and then people should pick if they can afford to the high quality and high cost product, and they can choose. But if I have not enough budget and I don't need high quality, in the case, I choose that one.
Okay.
I think that's very common situation in our real life. So maybe all the companies, manufacturers pursue high quality with low manufacturing cost, but the thing is, because they have their limit, so they have budget, and maybe they can reach to the quality that they want. So in variation of all the quality is necessary.
Okay. Okay. Someone else or
Yep. I was like thinking that doesn't it depend on the type of fields?
depend on the type of. Okay.
Yeah, in the sense that if you are like going to use your smartphone in a rough manner, you won't be preferring a delicate phone, no matter how costly or how quality-wise it's good. If it's like made up of glass, for example, and if you like kind of flop it, you don't have the protection, you just lose the phone, the expensive one. So my opinion is like the usage, like how the product is going to be used by you, by the consumer, is also one factor to be considered. Like if I'm living in a area which has a high theft ratio, there's no point in buying an expensive phone if it ends up getting stolen
Okay.
in that manner. So it's like the usage by the consumer is also one point. Like how the consumer wants to use it in a rough manner and security like that issue or something else.
Okay. Well, I think it's okay. So, thank you.
So, 여기 can take up.
Okay.
Usually, I explain this one at the beginning. Those CQTs, cost and quality and time, that is the most important three factors for winning market. So when I ask you to produce or design a nice phone, best-selling phone for Indian ladies, you should always think about the cost and quality time. Because any consumer wants to have a low price, high quality, fast response. If you get these together, then you will win. Right? But you cannot do it. So that's why we have two separate different markets: a premium market and low budget market. In terms of smartphone, there is a separate market. Exists premium phone market. Apple goes on this market. And low budget market. China is doing well on this. Okay, that's it. See you on Wednesday.